Are you concerned about the security of your digital assets? Look no further than our cybersecurity firm. At our firm, we understand the importance of keeping your sensitive information safe and secure from cyber threats. Our team of highly trained cybersecurity experts utilize the latest technologies and methods to protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. We offer a range of services to meet your specific needs, including network security. We can secure your network with the latest firewall technologies, intrusion detection and prevention, and other advanced security measures. Vulnerability scanning. We can identify potential vulnerabilities in your systems and applications and provide recommendations on how to fix them. Penetration testing. Our experts can test your systems and applications for weaknesses by simulating real-world attacks, allowing you to identify and address any security gaps before they can be exploited. Compliance. We can help you ensure that your systems and applications are compliant with relevant security and privacy regulations, such as HIPAA, GDPR, and PCI DSS. Training. We can provide your employees with cybersecurity awareness and training to help prevent common threats, such as phishing attacks, from compromising your organization's security. With our firm's expertise and dedication to keeping your information safe, you can have peace of mind knowing that your digital assets are secure. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help protect your organization from cyber threats. Are you concerned